In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to switch templates in Squarespace with the latest updates. If you've been thinking about giving your site a fresh new look, or you picked a template quickly when you first signed up, and now want something that fits your brand better, this walkthrough will guide you through the entire process in a clear, manageable way. First, log into your Squarespace account and open the website you want to update. Once you're on your site dashboard, look for the Design section in the left-hand panel. This is where all your style and layout controls live, including your current template settings. Inside the Design area, locate the Templates or Site Styles option, depending on the version of Squarespace you're using. Here, you'll see your active template, along with any other templates you may have previously installed. Take a moment to look around this section so you feel comfortable navigating back and forth as you experiment. Next, browse through the available templates. Squarespace lets you preview templates before committing, which is very helpful. Choose a template that matches the overall structure you want. For example, if you're running a blog, look for strong blog layouts. For a portfolio, look for clean gallery options. Remember that the content of your site, like your text and images, can be reused, but the layout and styling will change with the new template. When you find a template you like, select the option to preview or start with that template. Squarespace will apply it in a sort of test mode first, so you can see how your existing content fits into the new design. This is an important stage. Click through your pages, check your navigation, and pay attention to how your headings, images, and buttons appear. If you're happy with the preview, go ahead and set this template as your live design. Once it's active, you'll want to fine-tune it. Head back into the Design area and open Site Styles or Design Settings to adjust fonts, colors, spacing, and button styles. Try to match these to your branding so the new template still feels like your site, just refreshed. Finally, review your site on both desktop and mobile views. Squarespace templates are responsive, but it's still worth checking key pages like your home page, contact page, and any important product or portfolio pages. When everything looks good, your new template is officially in place. You've successfully switched templates in Squarespace and given your site a polished new look without starting from scratch.